In a space crowded with layer ones, meme coins, and DeFi experiments, Quant stands out for doing something entirely different and incredibly important. Quant isn't trying to compete with Ethereum or Solana. It's not launching the next NFT platform or meme token. Instead, Quant is solving one of the most fundamental problems in blockchain today: interoperability. Its flagship technology, the Overledger network, acts as a bridge between different blockchains and even traditional systems like banking networks, allowing them to communicate, transact, and share data in a secure and scalable way. Think of Quant as the middleware layer of the entire digital asset economy, connecting islands of innovation into a unified internet of value. At the heart of this mission is Gilbert Verdian, Quant's founder and CEO. With a background in cybersecurity and high-level roles at institutions like MasterCard, HM Treasury, and the Bank of England, Verdian isn't your typical blockchain startup founder. He's been deeply involved in shaping global financial standards and enterprise tech. That experience is baked into Quant's DNA. This isn't a project chasing hype. It's a project built for governments, banks, and global enterprises that need secure, regulatory-compliant access to blockchain technology without tearing apart their existing infrastructure. The key innovation behind Quant is Overledger, which isn't a blockchain itself, but a blockchain operating system. It allows developers and businesses to build multi-chain applications called MD apps that can interact with multiple chains simultaneously, whether it's Ethereum, Bitcoin, Ripple, Hyperledger, or even legacy banking systems like Swift. With Overledger, a single application could settle payments on Ethereum, verify data on Bitcoin, and store records on a private enterprise chain all at once. This is a game changer, especially for large institutions that can't afford downtime or fragmentation in their tech stacks. Quant is also highly aligned with global standards. It's the first blockchain project to fully integrate the ISO 2022 messaging standard, which is becoming the global benchmark for financial communications, including for central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. This positions Quant at the center of the digital finance revolution, helping banks and governments transition from traditional finance, TradFi, to decentralized infrastructure, DeFi, without the usual chaos and risk. It's no surprise that Quant is involved in multiple CBDC pilots and enterprise blockchain initiatives, including partnerships with Oracle, SIA, and several national central banks. As for the token itself, QNT plays a crucial utility role. It's used to access the Overledger network, pay for platform fees, and secure enterprise-grade services. But what makes QNT especially compelling is its tokenomics. There's a fixed total supply of just 14.6 million tokens with no inflation. That's less than Bitcoin. And as adoption of Overledger grows, more QNT will be locked up in licensing, staking, and gateway fees. The result is a classic supply and demand squeeze, especially as more institutions onboard and begin using Quant's infrastructure behind the scenes. But perhaps most important of all, Quant isn't aiming for hype cycles or flashy headlines. It's laser-focused on real-world utility, working quietly but effectively to power the next generation of finance. In a world where every blockchain is its own silo, Quant is building the roads, tunnels, and protocols that will allow them to talk, transact, and thrive together, whether it's powering CBDCs, enabling cross-border payments, or connecting enterprise systems to Web3. Quant is playing the long game, and it's one of the few projects positioned to be truly indispensable as blockchain moves from speculation to infrastructure.